Dr. Deshbandhu Bajpayee is before you. In this broadcast, I will tell you about the new invented technology which I named it electrohomeography and in short ESG. The technology is for the use of homeopathic medical system. The technique quantifies the status of Hahnemannian principles laid down by the originator of homeopathy, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, in his classical work Organon of Medicine and in Chronic Diseases. These principles are Sora, psychosis, syphilis, vital force and knowledge of disease, etc. Today, homeopathic medical science has a tool to prove its scientificity in evidence-based level. The electrohomeography technology came in existence when I was working on the electrotridoxography (ETG) technology for quantification of Ayurvedic principles. The idea cropped up in my mind that homeopathic principles can be quantified with this technique and technology. I started to research work on this idea and I got success. The trace recording sector recording lead system is similar as in electrotridoxography technique, but evaluation of sectors, selection of sites are totally different to ETG technology and is not related in least manner. Now, Sora, psychosis, syphilis, vital force, etc. levels in human body can be quantified with their intensity presence along with the diagnosis of disease. Selection of appropriate homeopathic medicine is possible after obtaining the data in report form without asking any question about the complaints which patient have. Conventionally, the only way for quantification of the status of homeopathic principle is depend upon the case history analysis, observation of physician and mental analysis by attending doctor. But measuring intensity of the homeopathic principles are not possible in any way. Now, with the help of electrohomeography technology, it is possible to measure the presence of homeopathic principles. The technology serves few purposes at a time. Number one, it quantifies the status of homeopathic principles. Number two, it diagnoses the diseases of the human body and organs. Number three, it helps to select proper and fit medicine without asking any question to patient with the help of repertorization. Number four, it monitors patient health before, during and after illness, thus shows the condition of health improvement or not. Number five, some patients are weak, unconscious, not in a position to tell any complaint to physician or doctor. For them, this technology provides a solution of diagnosis and selection of medicine with appropriate treatment. It is believed that with the help of electrohomeography technology, homeopathic medical science will prove its scientificity along with the innumerable ways for research works in homeopathy medical sciences in coming times. Thanks.